No idea how to start a summer journal? You are definitely not alone. Sometimes the hardest part is just getting started. But these 3 simple prompts can help you break through that blank page, even on days when you feel totally stuck. Prompt 1. The best part of this week was just finish the sentence. Do not overthink it. Even if you only write 1 line, that is enough. Maybe it was a funny moment with a friend, a delicious snack, or just a quiet afternoon. Whatever comes to mind, let it out. Prompt 2. One thing I want to do before school starts? There is no pressure and no grade here. Write as much or as little as you want. Maybe you want to try a new hobby, visit a favorite place, or just sleep in a little longer. Let your imagination take over and see where your thoughts go. Prompt 3. If I could change one thing about today, set a 5-minute timer and just write whatever pops into your head. It could be something big or something small. The important thing is to let your pen move and see what you discover. I made all 3 prompts into a free printable checklist. Grab it from the link in the description and put it right in your journal. Subscribe to receive weekly tips.